Don't do this to me. Come on. Don't do this to me. Come on. Come on, please. Not again. Welcome back to the channel. This video is bad news. It's a little bit bad news about this Shedding the Beast. People, got really bad news. The turbos on this bad boy have gone. They're totally gone. They practically actually exploded. Well, no, that's an exaggeration. They didn't explode. What has happened to them? There's a problem where the turbos are causing the car to drink a lot of oil. They're finished, guys. They are totally finished. And then BMW would like to charge £7,000 for stock turbos. So essentially, that's going to be £7,000 spent. Well, if we go down that route anyway. For stock turbos. I mean, who in the right mind is going to do that? So stock turbos, stock power once again. And it's almost £10,000. That's a no. So guys, basically I told my videographer to tell you guys the power figures of the car. She got it wrong, so this is take number 2. Anyway, power figures: 450 brake, bunch of torque, over 400 feet-pound of torque. Don't know what it is in Newton meters. One of you guys can comment below and tell us. Anyway, so we are not going to go BMW's crazy, what, £7,000 for turbos. And it's not going to put out what, more than 700 brake? You must be baloniously mad. Anyway, we're going to go with the company called... You filming?
Yeah.
Damn cyclists making so much noise. Anyway, back to the film, guys. Professional. Composure. Anyway, right, so this is going to... Right, this, I don't know if you guys can even see this. I'll come around here. Let's see if you guys can see. No, that's a road felt. Okay, I'll read to you guys, okay? It's like being in school again. Anyway, right, we'll go for this. This company is called Devil Developments. They do a stage 3 setup. It says they do operated twin turbos. You get downpipes, or yeah, decat downpipes. Get a good remap, low boost, and it says it will give you 610 horsepower versus Beamer's what, 450, and 670 feet-pound of torque versus, well, 400 and a bit, really, 406 I believe. So, and the price of this is £3,000. £3,000 for all of that. So let's do this right. £3,000, 610 bhp, 670 torque for 3k. BMW, £7,000, 450 brake, and 406 roughly here, give or take, of torque. Guys, are you serious? So technically you could do 2 setups of this with the Devil Developments, I believe they're called. 2 of those turbo kits will cost what? The one price of BMWs. So who in the right state of mind is going to do that? So I think we're going to have to go for that for the M4. And what else? The next video is going to be the first drive of the Mini, right? So that's going to be jokes. You guys need to watch that one. So it's going to be the first drive of the car. We'll see what it's like, see how it handles. It's stock, so don't expect anything crazy. We're just going to see how it is. Hook up the GoPro in the center. Yeah, we'll just have some fun with the car. So make sure you guys check that out. And also like and subscribe to this video. Come at the road before you get hit, please. We don't have insurance to cover that. And when they're gone, don't go that close. Bloody hell. Okay, now you got to back up. That's too close. I ain't that pretty, girl.
You are.
Right, so anyway, yeah. Next video will be of the Mini, the first drive. So guys, look out for that. I will be posting that. So yes, what else is that I needed to tell you guys? Yeah, you guys need to like, share and subscribe to the channel anyway. Use the bell icon so you get alerted when I drop a new video. Yeah, that Mini video though, we're going to try to do some serious gear shifts. This manual, which is what the dying breed these days, so we do love a manual car. Got plans for it, not going to tell you guys yet, you're going to have to wait. But yes, so guys, yeah, quick one as well. So yeah, that's the development we're going to do for the M4 most likely. Yeah, so whoever's new to the channel, haven't even seen the car yet, we're going to give you a nice montage. So yeah, 3, 2, 1 and...